When it comes to legendary muscle cars, the folklore of the incredible Plymouth Cuda is simply undeniable. In many ways, Plymouth's popular intermediate offering used its massive HEMI power to define an era. Naturally, HEMI cars were desirable. Convertibles brought automatic exclusivity. And when anyone combined a HEMI with a convertible, they got something very special. In fact, only 11 were made for the 1971 model year, and of those 11, only 2 were equipped with 4-speeds. That being so, HEMI convertibles have hammered down at auctions, bringing massive 7-figure prices. While virtually any Cuda convertible is a great investment, a $1 million investment isn't exactly something most people can drive with a clear conscience. That's where classics like this awesome HEMI Tribute come in. Spending many of its recent years in an 80-car collection, this Plymouth has been ground-up restored to a highly accurate recreation of one of the most desirable Mopars of all time. The inviting cockpit is centered on high-back seats that feel like a great place to see the sights and hear that HEMI growl. Optional wood grain trim dresses things up, while detailed rally gauges keep an eye on the essentials. Within arm's reach is a modern CD player that kicks 3 factory speakers and 2 aftermarket speakers. And the driver feels the road through a wood grain steering wheel and a cool Hurst pistol grip shifter. Under the car's familiar shaker hood, 426 cubic inches of storied elephant motor makes excellent use of dual quad induction and hot MSD ignition. That engine sends power through a tough A833 4-speed, back to a Dana 60 axle with a posi traction differential and 354 gears. Buying the muscle car of your dreams is fun, unless the market dictates that you park it in a garage and never touch it. In this HEMI-powered Cuda, you can experience some of Detroit's best metal the way it was intended to be enjoyed. Top down, tires rolling, and V8 roaring. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.